Welcome guys to my YouTube channel Prakash Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start a new mathematics chapter which is pair of linear equations in two variables. So in this chapter we are going to study how we can obtain a solution in which there are two variables are present and what are the methods present to solve this equations. Let's consider two generic equation. First is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now here, if I ask you how many variables are present in this equation, so the answer is 2. First is x and second one is y. And a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are the constants for which they have a certain value. Now if we want to solve this equation and find the solutions of x and y for which we satisfy both the equations, so there are three cases which we consider. First is intersecting. If a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, the ratio of a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then the lines are considered as intersecting lines. That means both the lines will intersect at one common point. Second is coincident. When ratio of a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, then the lines are considered as coincidents. That means one line is above another line. Third case, when a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2, then the lines are considered as parallel lines. Then there will be no solution for this. Now to understand more, we are taking an example. Check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y equals to 6 and 2x minus 3y equals to 12 is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. So there are two parts in the question. So first part is to check whether the equations are graphically consistent or not, and if it is graphically consistent, then we need to solve the equations too. So first we will check the ratio of a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. I have checked the ratio and both the ratios are not equal, so this equation is consistent and there is a solution for this equation. Now second, how to find the equations, the solutions to the equation. So for that, these two are the equation of line and we need to plot the line on the graph paper. So to plot the line, we need to find the solutions for which the line will satisfy. So I have taken x equals to 0 and x equals to 6. You can take any integer on the number for finding the solution. There is no restriction. However, to make the calculation simplify, I have taken one x equals to 0 and for another is y equals to 0. Also, you can take, it is not necessary to take only two solution, two values. You can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So I have taken x equals to 0 and x equals to 6. I have found y equals to 2 and y equals to 0. And for second equation of line, x equals to 0 and 3 and y values minus 4 and minus 2. On plotting this on the graph paper, we have obtained the two lines and we have find one solution, common point for which the line satisfies both the equations. So the point is b6 comma 0, so therefore the solution of the equation is x equals to 6 and y equals to 0. This is a sample example I have taken. You have to take more examples and you have to perform calculate manually, which will help you to understand this topic more better. Algebraic methods for solving a pair of linear equations. So earlier we have taken the how to solve the pair of linear equations graphically. Now we are substituting, seeing the methods, other two methods. The first one is substitution and second one is elimination. To understand this method in more detail, we are taking an example and try to explain this method. So first example, we are solving this with the help of a substitution method. Now let's see. So we have an equation 7x minus 15y equals to 2, and second is x plus 2y equals to 3. We have to find a solution of x and y for this pair of linear equations by substitution method. So we have taken the second equation x plus 3y equals to 3. On rearranging the equation, we get x equals to 3y minus 2y. Now we are substituting this value of x in the equation 1. So substituting the value of x in the equation first, we get value of y equals to 19 upon 29. This is a very simple calculation of linear single variable, and you can perform it. You will get the value 19 upon 29. Now getting the value of 19 upon y, 19 upon 39 in the equation 1, we will get the value of x. So for x and for this value x and y, this linear equation will satisfy the values. Now we will see the elimination method. Now let's take another example to understand the elimination method. X plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Now here in elimination method, we eliminate one of the two variables, right? So here I have taken the variable to eliminate is x. So to eliminate the variable, here it is the coefficient is 2, and in this equation it is coefficient is 1. So I need to multiply this whole equation LHS and RHS by the value of 2, and this equation second is by value of 1. This objective I am doing here multiplication because I need to make the coefficient of x variable same. You can also take the variable y, there is no problem in that. Any one variable we need to take. So here I have taken the variable x. If we will multiply this equation both LHS and RHS by value first 2 and 1, we will obtain 2x plus 2y equals to 10, and second equation we will obtain 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Hope from this step is clear to all of you. Now we need to eliminate, so we have to subtract this equation from this equation, which is what I have done. Subtract. So here 2x minus 2x will become 0, 2x minus plus, so it will become plus 3y. So 2y plus 3y equals to 5y, 10 minus 4 will become 6. So from here we will get the value of y equals to 6 upon 5. Now we have obtained the value of one of the variable. Now you can put any value of y in any of these two equations to get the value of x. So I have put the value of y in equation 1. So I have obtained the value of x equals to 19 upon 5. So like this we can understand the algebraic methods of substitution and elimination. Hope this video makes your understanding better about this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share the video.